Hello everyone. Oh Sal, no, you can't come, buddy. No, you can't come. Go inside. Go inside, buddy. Okay, good morning everyone. Welcome back to the channel. I am hopping in a Prius. Clayton and I found ourselves with some free time this morning, and I had a last minute call where a client wanted their exterior washed and waxed and a headlight restored, and I was like, you know what, I got time today, so let's do it. So I went and picked up this Prius, and now I'm taking it back to the client. Conveniently, this client is placed right next to where we store the Gallardo, which works perfect because we are working on the Gallardo today and I need to go pick it up. Bet you guys never thought I'd be in a Prius. Okay, got the Prius dropped off. He was very, very ecstatic. Back to my car with tint. Tint is a life changer. It's Gallardo time. We talked about how all of our cars are falling apart, and the Gallardo, we're thinking that the steering rack is a little messed up and the alignment occasionally is off. Well, today it's definitely off. It's a little cocked to the right and it wants to pull that way. So that's cool. Bridge alert.
Perfect timing. I just pulled the razor in.
You beat me back.
Yeah, just barely.
How was your first car? Or only car?
It was great. It was a Rivian. Those new Rivian RT1s are pretty cool.
You like them?
Yeah, they're sweet actually.
I saw a Rivian SUV the other day and I actually liked it.
Hey, did you mention today's video is sponsored by Kumo?
I have not yet.
Yeah, Kumo Tire is sponsoring this video. We're gonna talk about them in a little bit. So in our last video, we took the razors out and had an absolute blast of a time, but we noticed that this razor is missing a very, very important thing, and that thing is a windshield. Faith and I were getting bugs in the face, bugs to the teeth, and we're gonna fix that super fast. Polaris sent over a windshield and it's very easy to install. So before we get to the Gallardo project, let's just throw it on.
Oh wow, it literally just kind of snaps on?
Get much easier than this. You just set it on and then
oh my gosh.
Oh. I told you it was simple.
That's it?
That's it.
Okay.
Nice.
I like it. This is the second time I'm saying this in the video, but it's Gallardo time. Clayton, so everything we're doing today, Clayton, everything we're doing today is reversible, correct?
Yes, 100% reversible.
Because we do have date night on Friday, and I don't know if I want to drive this around with a box and some lights on it.
A basket and some lights. Correction. Luckily, everything we're doing to the Gallardo in its entirety for the Overland Campo. Luckily, everything we're doing for the Overland Camper Lambo build is reversible. So what we're doing today can easily just be taken off at the end of the video. Here's the roof basket.
Oh my goodness.
Obviously, they don't make roof baskets for Lambos, so we're gonna make our own today. I bought this cheap one off Amazon, and my solution to this was, here's the roof basket. We're just gonna delete the middle section and attach those together and then put them on the car.
What I want to know is, how is this attaching to the car?
Super simple. We have suction cups.
For what was maybe 15 to 20 seconds for you guys, we've actually been working on this for like an hour.
Yeah, just about
an hour and a half, but it's done. And I think it's time for me to put a little sweat into this. I'm gonna put it on. Okay.
Don't mess up. Careful. 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 Nicely done.
There's PPF on here, everyone, just so you are aware.
There is,
it's
actually.
Protected.
Yes. Nice technique.
Thanks. This is not gonna like damage the roof, right?
It shouldn't.
It shouldn't?
It shouldn't. That thing ain't going anywhere.
Is this the technique that James used when he did the ski box?
Yep.
Okay, then we should be good.
We should be good, except his suction cups were on the glass.
Oh!
I don't see any warping on the roof. No, should be good. What do you think?
It's got a hat. It's just getting more and more ridiculous.
You mean more and more cool?
Yeah, sure. Oh. Oh, I never envisioned this for you.
I sure did. So the roof basket is on, but before we get to the light bar, we need to talk about today's video sponsor, Kumho Tire. So Kumho Tire has been a channel sponsor for quite some time. In fact, we have Kumho tires here on the Lambo, and I think most of our cars have Kumho tires on them.
You are right, most of our cars do have Kumho tires on them.
And I want to tell you about the Exta PS91s that we have right here on the Lambo because we like them a lot.
They're excellent summer performance tires, and I've definitely enjoyed driving the car since we put these on.
Kumho Tire was founded in 1960, which gives them over 60 years of experience making amazing summer tires. And we've been rocking Kumho tires, and Kumho Tires has been a channel sponsor for like over a year now, which gave us time to really try out these tires, and we absolutely love them. In our experience with Kumho tires on all of our vehicles, we have been so pleased, and I know you will too. If you're in the market for tires, definitely check out Kumho. Link is in the description below. Go on their website and find the right tire size for you. And now, onto the light bar. It's right there.
Oh.
There it is. Okay, now you gotta put this on the car.
Okay, so what we're gonna need to do is some splicing.
Some splicing? Well, that is going to occur once it's on the car. So how do we get this on the car?
We have to do more suction cupping.
Yes, we have mini suction cups for this.
Let me just do that really quick then. Donezo.
Done. Wow, that was really easy. We should have just done that with the roof basket.
You're right.
Are you ready for the first test fit?
Yep.
Centered, we want it as high up on the windshield as possible.
Okay.
Perfect.
So a little splice action here.
Yep. So this is just gonna be a quick test fit before I figure out how I want to run the wires inside. But you'll get the full effect this way.
It's working!
It works! It's very bright.
It is very, very, very bright.
That's so cool.
Wow. It's coming to life, you guys.
This is so ridiculous.
I am not gonna lie, I'm pleasantly surprised that took, well, it took like
A few hours.
5 hours.
It was just because I had to cut those brackets and stuff.
Yeah, but then once all the angle grinding and cutting and bolts and stuff were done, it was like 10 minutes.
Yes.
And they were on. So what do you guys think? Should we get some rollers? Should we show the world what Clayton and Faith have done to this poor car?
Yes.
Yes?
I'm really interested to see if any part of it makes like whistling noises or, or shakes or something. We'll see.
I really hope not. There's a really cool road that just got paved over yonder, and I think it'll be perfect for rollers. So we're gonna head there. How does it look driving?
It looks so much fun.
Really?
We passed like 4 cars and they all broke their necks. What about you though? Were you able to see things so much clearer with extra light?
I'm not gonna lie, I blinded a woman.
Perfect, but
So
could you
does
imagine
bright.
at night?
Yeah,
It's gonna look really great.
Very helpful at night, yes.
Well, I think this is a perfect place to end today's video. I mean, look at these views.
I'm in awe.
Yeah, we live here.
Just around the corner.
Just around the corner. We don't really get these views from our shop, but within half mile,
Yeah,
these are
they
the
look
views.
pretty great.
Pretty awesome. But we're gonna go ahead and end today's video. Another huge shout out to Kumho Tire for making it possible for Faith and I to do really, really fun things. So definitely go show your support.
Thank you guys again for tuning in to another episode, and we'll see you in the next one.
Peace.